What's up? I'm Moneybags, and I'm here to tell you about my new movie coming out. It has my new artist, Kid Disco, in it. It's called The Block. Here is a few scenes, check it out.
Run, but you can't hide, baby. You can't hide from these, baby. Take it, take it. Whoa, 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 whoa. You got it all fucked up, baby. That wasn't even me at the club. That was my cousin. That was my brother. That was my motherfucking dad or somebody. It wasn't me, baby. Straight up. Yo, I'm over here, man. Bring your white ass over here, man. Come here. Don't play me, Bobby. Don't fucking play me. Because if you do, you're gonna end up with a fucking accident like nuts off above the motherfucking rim. You do remember that shit, right? You fell the fuck off the building, Bobby. Don't fall off the building, Bobby. Don't fucking fall. Come here, Brian. You know what? The first time you called me crazy, it kind of fucked me up a little bit. But you know what? You're right. I am crazy. And you know what else, Brian? I don't give a fuck. I already know I ain't shit. And once I realize you ain't shit, blow. You ain't got nothing on me, officer. You know it. I know it. That bitch over there knows it too. You motherfuckers know I ain't do shit. Good looking out at the precinct, man. The motherfucking pigs always on bullshit with me. You know you my boo, right? You niggas will never get me. Never. You hear me? You hear me? Bitty bumpers on the motherfucking front. You'll never take me alive.
That's so gangster it hurts. It opens in June, just remember. Buy my shit.